Yes, my people, we have not forgotten the Mgbuka Road construction towards NEPA. So we are going to give you the details of that job so far and what you need to know about this job, road construction that is going on along Mgbuka Road coming from Eziweka axis. So we are coming from Eziweka now, moving straight to the NEPA Road. This is the NEPA Road, and you will see the NEPA transition, substation. I guess that's why they call it NEPA Road. So from there, we are going to blow down to the newly constructed road, though it is still under construction, and that is why we are here to get the full details of that job. So by the left there is the NEPA transition, and this is the new road under construction. Well, I don't know the time frame of this road, but I noticed some little improvement from what we saw last time that we visited. It's over 2-3 months that we came here and got some clips of this road. From here, this road moves to the left, and from the left it goes straight to Mgbuka. So from here now, from this junction, we are going to take left, we'll move down. Where the contractor to this road is this LMBH something. That contractor that was handling Obosi before they were chased out and replaced with another contractor, FCC. So this contractor is LNBH, if I should pronounce it well, but I know it's something similar to that. So they are the ones doing this road, and we are going to move down straight to Mgbuka. Mgbuka is the market that is in charge of second-hand motor parts. Second-hand motor parts, majorly cars. It is located in Obosi. All these places are Obosi. And you know that Awada is not far from here. Where we are coming from is from Awada axis. That is the Eziweka. You see the name MB something. This is one of their mini offices along this road construction site. And this is the contract details. So let's move down straight to see the end of this road. But I know the road is supposed to pass through the Mgbuka market. So now let's move down a bit. We want to see where the road ends and what that place looks like. If you move straight, you are going to Mgbuka, inside the Mgbuka. So, and you know that Obosi Road is parallel to this road. Obosi Road is by the right. It's by the right, and from here to Obosi Road is a slope. That's why you see those sands coming down from here to cover Obosi Road, because most of these areas are not well tied. Well, we've had our rivers view, and we want to enter one of these roads that are under construction, and it stretches down to Obosi Road. So let's see how far we can go. You know, the rainy seasons are here in full force. So some of these uncompleted road with laterite, if you don't tread with caution, you may end up being stuck. You can see how slopey the place is. From that place, you slope down into Owerri Road. That's how water used to slope whenever it rains, carries sand and everything into Owerri Road, and that's how the road is being damaged. So we are going back because this road is not that good to move on. So let's have a little reverse view, and we'll see other places we've not seen or we are unable to see very well, and we'll be sure of the details of this road so far. This is quite a very important road. In fact, there are a whole lot of work to do in Anambra State and our cities in particular. This place is not far from Awadan. This is Obosi. Many of these places don't have good road, but you see tall buildings everywhere. I don't know the kind of arrangement is that the government is not meeting up with individual development. This is not about Soludo, it's about Anambra and the history of Anambra State and Nigeria as a whole. People make individual efforts to build beautiful houses, but you hardly see good road that passes through their houses. Well, the present governor is doing his best to meet up with some of this road construction, and we quite commend him, even though, you know, I still have some reservation based on his constructions, but the roads, I must tell you, is not bad in terms of strength. Secondly, we still need to embark on shanties demolition. As long as we neglect these shanties, they will keep coming and fighting back more than what they used to be. So there should be constant enforcement on removal of shanties in our cities. Very, very important. Shanties, projections of any sorts, any type of projection should be discouraged. Projections that is not of design of the building should be removed. That is the point. Okay, this is exactly the second time we are giving you the update on this road, and we hope that next time we come, all these places should be under asphalt, and people will be seen enjoying the benefit or the dividend of democracy, and the benefit of their tax. Yes, government is being entrusted, and they have the power of attorney to execute these projects on behalf of the public with a public fund. So we expect them to do what the public, wants. So viewers, we are almost at Ziweka Junction, as from where we entered this road, this NEPA road. The other side is Awada. You are looking at Awada. Awada is this place facing us now. You will know Awada with a compartment of tall buildings. That's how you know that you have arrived in Awada. So until I come your way next time, I'm still tuning into your present. I say bye for now.